Good morning!
Good morning!
This week we're working with Visit Sweden, and today we're standing on the Norwegian side. We're driving a car over to Sweden across the bridge here. We're heading to Varberg.
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 If you're new to this channel, my name is Martin Solhaugen and I do travel vlogs from pretty much all over the world. So this weekend we're exploring our neighboring country, Sweden. So what do you think? Are you excited about this week, Ave?
Yes, I am excited. I've only been to Stockholm.
Right.
Only get to explore that for, I think I was there for 11 days. But this time, I'm going to check out the southern part.
Yeah.
And also this time, it's my first time to try the Swedish summer. There's a song, right?
Yes.
What was that song?
Sommartid, hey, hey, sommartid. So Sweden is all about the summer, like all the songs. So I'm excited as well. I have been once in Stockholm. I've been a lot over the border here just for Harryhandel. But Sweden is so much more than just that. So that's what we're gonna explore.
I'm excited for the food also.
Oh, the food.
Swedish meatballs. And what's that? They have the like smoked crab. What do you call that? I forgot.
I don't know.
We should try that.
Comment below if you guys know what she's talking about.
If you know what I'm talking about, I love it. Yeah.
Oh. Driving to Sweden is a really beautiful view because you're driving along the coast. And at certain spots you can see the fjord coming in. All the beautiful white houses. What do you think so far of it? Yeah. The cruise in the car. Luckily we got a Volvo. It's a Swedish brand. It's what you need when you're going to Sweden.
I never imagined that Swedish summer can be hot. I thought it's gonna be like still chilly.
No.
But I like it. I like it.
Good.
Yeah.
Because Ava has only been visiting winter time. Anyway, right now we're on a gas station. We decided we needed a Swedish ice cream, also called glass.
Oh, there's what you call it.
Yeah, in Sweden they call it glass. So we made it to Sweden. We are in Varberg. It's about 4 hours drive from Oslo until this summer paradise. Check it out. We are heading to Britta's strandveranda. Hopefully we're gonna meet some people from Sweden, from Visit Sweden there as well. I think Kim is the only guy who's wearing pants here. Yeah. Because it's a bit colder in Norway than here in Sweden, so. Because everybody here is wearing shorts and are pretty much tank tops. But you know,
yeah, this guy.
Except this guy, you can't win every time, Kim.
Is this a pizza or a bag of chips?
Hi guys, so it's lunchtime here at Britta's strandveranda. And it looks amazing.
Yeah.
At this place everybody is welcome, you come as you are. There's no closing hours except from 1 PM because it's the law. You can wear whatever you want here. So it's a good vibe right by the beach. And now we will test the food and see if it's as good as it looks. We can confirm that the food is really good at Britta's Strandbar. And right now we are going to go stand-up paddleboarding and hopefully gonna try something I've never tried before. It's called folio surfing. That's something you do out on the water after a jet ski. We just learned that a lot of Norwegians come here, mostly by train or they drive. You can take a train to Göteborg and then down here to Varberg. It's very easy. And enjoy your time. Alcohol is cheap here. Yeah, it's basically a paradise for Norwegians. So life is good. Let's just get on with it. All right, dressed up. So, as you guys see, I'm ready to go and hit the ocean. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go.
And when you're gonna ride it further out, the whole foil is gonna be in the water, so you're gonna stand on it like a sup.
Whoa.
And then I'm slowly gonna start pushing you. You're gonna hold on to a rope from the ski.
Okay.
And then it's gonna go a little bit faster, a little bit faster. And when you feel comfortable, like you're gonna have a lot of pressure on your front foot. When you feel comfortable, you're gonna push a little bit harder on your back foot. That's when the board is gonna go up.
Okay, just finished surfing in folio surfing. that was fun. I believe if you're a skateboarder or something, if you've been skating and you've been surfing a little bit, you'll get it easily. For me, it was kind of hard to get up, but it was definitely something I would recommend people trying. Now we're gonna go and check in at our hotel, and then later we're gonna have dinner at this place, John's place. Guys, we have arrived at Varberg Hotel, which means Varberg Coast Hotel. The reason for this is that this hotel is located right by the beach. There's a big, beautiful beach right behind me here. Love the vibe of this hotel. The smell is good. There's a restaurant here. Again, 4 hours out of Norway to get to this beautiful paradise. All right, we've left off the bag and we're gonna check in. We have checked in. It's time to give you guys a room tour. Hello there. Can I come in?
Sure, sure.
Ah, thank you, thank you. So this is what a hotel room at Varberg Hotel looks like. Nice. Oh, there's a view?
I am the view.
Ah. Oh, that's what I was talking about. The beach, guys. It's right outside. Restaurants there.
There's no aircon, so we have to
Yeah.
open the windows.
Straightforward, but it's always nice to show. Okay, so then you know what to expect. Right, we have a dinner in 40 minutes on this trip. It goes really fast. So we're gonna get ready and we're gonna show you a nice restaurant back at Varberg Beach. This is Sweden, guys. The squad is dressed up. We actually got changed in less than 20 minutes. That's pretty impressive. When there's a girl in the group.
I don't put makeup on, just like brush on.
You look good.
And then
You look good.
ready to go.
Right.
I just needed to shower after that salty water.
Yeah. So apart from our hotel, it's also possible to go camping here at Varberg Camping. You know, you have a camping wagon, you have a bus with a tent, or even like one of those, as my dad has. Ave made a vlog about those actually. It's really, really fun. We are here at Varberg Beach, heading for dinner. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it more than him.
What do you have to kick?
Don't like you.
Then we always have to
Kick it in the starter, you know? Let's go. That's how we do it.
We want to give a little shout out to Christopher from Sverige. The reason we know so much Swedish is because we spent horrible weeks with him. Traveling.
Probably months.
Yes, it felt like months. Traveling through New Zealand and New York, Brazil. So yeah, you know, but it's also friendly shout out, because that way we know a lot of Swedish. And sometimes when we do a vlog in English, you
just turn over to like Swedish English, and that's okay.
That's okay, you know, you're ready on the sidewalk.
I got my slippers on.
Yeah, this guy's hilarious. Yeah, hopefully we can go on a trip with him again soon.
Yeah, please.
We found the bar. Bang! Oh, look at this entrance. This is so nice. Ocean's right there. Walking in. Ah. John's Lager. Look at this. Okay.
For me, eating all the food.
Now we're gonna try the food. We made dinner. We couldn't miss this sunset. Look at that. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it's crazy. So we just had to run out and shoot our pictures, because that's kind of what we do. Restaurant's right behind us here. The beach is actually, there's no one on the beach right now. If you want your shot at Varberg, I totally recommend coming at night and catching the sunset. Absolutely. Because we got some bangers. Time to head back to to the dinner. Reisepojkarna. Kim, are you hungry for dessert?
Yes, I'm really ready for dessert.
You have an extra portion of your belly that's just for this type of food.
Yeah, it's here, 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 and here.
This is what I have to deal with. Oh, they're best friends now. Good morning, guys. It's 7:30 a.m. It's spa treatment time. It's the perfect thing to do after a little night out. So that's what we're gonna do now. Just enjoy this spa treatment area. And then we're gonna go and have breakfast after. smoothie, orange juice, coffee, eggs. Hey guys, so now we have met up with Hanna from Kaiplats Balans. This is a company that offers yoga here in Varberg. So right now we're gonna come with them and experience morning yoga on the pier. So you can see it's definitely morning by the look of my hair. Yeah, so we have a really tight schedule. We're flying from place to place. So it's bear with me if you feel like I missed any information, then just comment below if there's any information you think you're missing, or check out the link. We've had our morning yoga. That's something I recommend everybody trying. Now we're gonna check out of our hotel and we're gonna go on the next activity. Okay guys, for the next activity, we are now on Søndrenes. We are gonna go fat biking. My first time going fat biking with Charles.
Hey guys.
Yes. And look at the size of these wheels. Charles, why do we have so thick wheels? What's the point? Is it more balance or?
Well, yeah, I mean they get really stable. You get like super good grip, so we can go over the rocks, over roots, you know, like pretty much anywhere where you wouldn't normally bike.
Very cool.
Great fun, yeah.
All right, Kim.
Hey.
Your father does a lot of fat biking.
Yeah.
Do you know how
You'll,
to?
Probably love this vlog. This part of this vlog.
All right, let's try it. We have parked the Swedish car, the Volvo, the masterpiece, and we're gonna have dinner. No, we're not gonna have dinner. We're gonna have lunch at Joel's Brygga. Are you hungry? And guys, I haven't told you guys, but Kim is making his first YouTube vlog.
Yeah.
From Sweden. What the hell? Guys,
That's cool.
subscribe to Kim's channel. And the link's below if you want to watch this video first, but this is, you know, my best bro, and would love for you guys to support him. Well, they have the best table in the house. So this is what Joel's Brygge is like. Oh, this dude over here. Yeah, it's 29 degrees now, guys. That's as hot as in the Philippines. So, yeah, that's not good. This is the toast from Skagen. This is something I love to eat. This is shrimps, aioli, and bread. Summer. This is summer to me right here. We got the chef special, which is
Salmon.
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 Cheers, guys. Very good job, Kim. Very good job.
Thank you. Do you need anything else?
No, can you change my tires as well?
Okay.
That'll be awesome if you did that.
Yes, too?
Yes, please.
Come on.
Jesus Christ, these Swedes working at these gas stations are so nice. Thank you. What's your name, Johan?
My name is Felix.
Felix. Yes.